So welcome back to Rock Solid Motorsports. Today we have the privilege to introduce to you this awesome two-owner example of a 2003 Corvette Z06. And this car comes with a very original example of the Corvette Z06, finished in its original Millennium Yellow exterior. Complemented nicely by the 50th anniversary badges that all the 2003 Corvettes got, but it's always a neat touch on these cars. And just a striking example of these cars. You can just tell that this car was lovingly maintained, and just finding one of these in just its factory original unmodified state just does not happen very often anymore. A lot of people like to modify these cars, and this one is a truly factory stock example of these cars. Again, with the Millennium Yellow exterior shining nice and bright, complemented nicely by the black leather interior and that very desirable 405 horsepower LS6 5.7 liter V8 backed by the 6-speed manual transmission. Not only is this a great looking example of these Z06 Corvettes, it's an awesome driving example and a ball of fun. So we'll go ahead and grab those other cameras and take this thing for a test drive.
Striking yellow.
For sure. So yeah, now we're gonna go for a test drive in that awesome 2003 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. So this was pretty much top of the line as far as the Corvette went for the C5.
Yeah.
And this one being a very factory and unmolested example with just over 17,000 actual miles is not something you come by every day.
No. That's awesome. That is the 6-speed manual.
It is, yeah. Backing that 405 horsepower LS6 5.7 liter. Just, I mean, it runs and drives like, I mean, the late model Corvette should. I mean, not getting into it right now. I mean, it goes through the gears. I mean, just, I mean, effortlessly. It has no issues pulling this Corvette down the road. I mean, this car doesn't weigh much, and having over 400 horsepower, it's about as effortless as you'd expect.
And it's nicely loaded with options. You know, you got AM, FM, CD, dual automatic climate control, of course all your normal amenities, the power windows, power locks, cruise control,
power driver seat, and passenger seat.
Passenger seat is manual.
Yeah, but everything we've tried on this car does work. All my gauges work just like they should. Check the cruise on the way here, both power windows. I don't think there's anything on this car that doesn't work as intended.
Heads-up display.
Yeah, that works just like it should. It's a great driving, riding car. I mean, it's what you'd expect from a car with this low of mileage. And it runs and drives just like it should.
I would strongly recommend new tires.
So would I. I believe that they're the original Goodyear Eagle F1s. So, yeah. I mean, if you were looking to collect it and just add it to your collection, that's one thing. But if you're looking to enjoy the car, I would definitely put
get new tires on it.
Mothball the originals, have them for bragging rights.
Yeah. It's a beautiful car. I mean, it is. I mean, just looking at the interior, like the bolster on the driver's seat, which is in very good condition.
Yeah, it's showing no wear.
You can tell just how well this car has been maintained and cared for.
Yes,
over the years.
Yeah, there's virtually no wear on the interior. I mean, any of the defects in the exterior are just extremely minor. You might have 1 or 2 scratches and the same number of stone chips on this car, which is saying something, because these Corvettes, once you start getting miles on them, they like to pick up stone chips in that front fascia.
And behind the tires.
Yeah, for sure. So coming around the roundabout, no excessive body roll. Actually, this car rides pretty nice. We'll get into it a little bit. Don't push those tires. But
set you in the seat.
For sure. I mean, that's just half throttle. And yeah, I mean, more than enough horsepower to get you into some trouble and have some fun.
Oh yeah, well, these cars weigh nothing.
Yeah.
So, and to get the real good performance, you're going to want to get these sticky tires.
Yeah, for sure. But, allow this car to hook up properly. But no, they're a ball of fun, these C506, and they've just been holding their place in the market. I mean, they're just a ton of car for the money. They handle well. They got plenty of power, plenty of convenience options. Just a really nice, well-balanced sports car. And if you're in the market for one, you're going to know how hard it is to find one that's factory original, unmolested.
Yeah.
No, I mean, this car is completely unmodified from original.
With these miles.
Yeah. I mean, low ownership. I believe it has 2 owners, the previous owners. But
That
yeah,
awesome Millennium Yellow.
the black leather. Yeah,
Stand out.
for sure. It's definitely one you could definitely take to your local cruising or car show. Be very proud of it. Brag about the miles.
Yeah.
So, I mean, if you're in the market for a C506, you're going to be hard-pressed to find one this nice, this original, and this well taken care of. So you definitely want to stay tuned for that walk-around inspection. It's going to be more of a highlight reel of that beautiful Millennium Yellow exterior.
Yeah.
So stay tuned. So now we're done with the test drive. We'll move on to the walk-around inspection portion of the test drive video. And this really shouldn't take too long. There's not that many exterior defects on this car, like you'd expect with the car with just over 17,000 actual miles. But we'll go ahead and get right into it. The driver's side of the windscreen's nice and clean and clear. Nothing really to note there. Driver's side front fender, of course, is nice and straight. Your Z06 emblem is showing no age or wear. Not really noticing any major chips or heavy scratches. Your factory front left wheel is in excellent condition. Now all 4 of your tires are fairly old. If you're planning on driving this car and not just keeping it as a collector item, I would definitely recommend replacing all 4. The driver's side of the hood is nice and straight and clean. Headlight cover is nice and clean, no heavy chips. Your front bumper cover is in very good condition. You do have one paint chip kind of right in the nose there. But your 50th anniversary Corvette emblem is in excellent condition. Might have a couple bugs on the front from the test drive. But you do have about a 3-inch scratch here on the headlight cover. You probably get that to dull up with a good buff. Passenger side of the hood is nice and straight and clean. Passenger side front fender is very comparable to the driver's side and in very good condition. Your passenger side front wheel is nice and clean, no rash to really see. Again, your passenger side Z06 emblems in excellent condition. The passenger side of the windshield, again, free of any major defects. It looks like you do have a little bit of insulation or glue poking through there on this seal. That's just some dirt. Your passenger side mirror, you do have a, looks like a scuff on the outside. But your passenger side door is in very good condition. Not really noticing anything. There's a little bit of dirt there. Passenger side side glass is in excellent condition, nice and clean. And coming into the Corvette, you'll find a very factory clean interior, showing very little to no wear.
So the passenger side of the interior, well above average condition. Your passenger side door panel's in very good condition, showing little to no wear. Your buttons are very legible. Bose speakers. Your door jamb is extremely clean. Same with the scuff plate. Your passenger side leather seats in very good condition, showing very little to no age. You do have a slight little scuff on the one bolster right here, but no tear, no cracks. Your carpet is nice and rich black. Dash is in very good condition, no warpage, no cracking, no sun fade. Your headliner is in very good condition, same with the carpet in the rear.
Back outside, the passenger side of your roof is nice and clean. Not really noticing any major defects to note. Your passenger side rear quarter, again, not showing really any defects. Even behind the tire, there's Pretty much no stone chips. Come across your rear deck lid is nice and clean and straight. Your 50th anniversary Corvette logo is nice and clean again. Come into the Dad showing you the rear bumper, your rear fascias in excellent condition. Taillights are nice and clear. Bottom of your trunk lid's in very good condition. And the trunk itself looks like it's been sparingly used.
Got the little air compressor there in the front.
License plate bracket still in the wrapping.
Those states that need it.
Coming into the driver's side rear quarter. Again, nice and clean. Really not noticing anything you might have. I think that's actually some dirt. So yeah, nothing really to note. It's another very clean wheel in the back left. Driver's side of the roof, again, very clean. No real defects to note. Same with the driver's side glass. Driver's side door. Again, might be some dirt there. I do think you have a couple little stone chips on the body line trim. Very, very minor. You wouldn't notice them unless you're right up on the car.
And coming into the driver's side portion of the interior, very comparable to the passenger side, well above, very good condition. Driver's door panels in very good condition. All the buttons are nice and clean and legible. The vinyl's all in very good condition. Your door jambs very clean. Same with the scuff plate, no damage from getting in and out. Your driver's side leather seats in very good and well above average condition. No tears, no rips in the leather. Padding's very good in both seats. Your driver's side carpet's in very good condition. Same with the dash and steering wheel. All your buttons, all the lettering is very legible, well above average condition, especially for a 25-year-old interior. Dash is nice and straight, no warping, no cracks. All the buttons on the stereo and the heater controls, very legible. Same with the gear shift knob, very clean. Nice center console. Driver's side portion of the headliner's in very good condition.
And then coming under the hood, you'll find a very factory presenting engine compartment showcasing that very desirable 405 horsepower LS6 5.7 liter V8. So now we'll go ahead and get on in the Corvette, fire it up, and show you some lights working.
5.7 liter fires right off. No funny noises. Just like what you would expect from a low mile LS. Nice and smooth. There's your headlights, brights, driver's side turn signal, passenger side turn signal. These cars have such a great sound. You have running lights, brake lights, driver's side turn signal, passenger side turn signal, and your reverse lights. All your lights work as they should.
So if you're in the market for an excellent example of the C5 Z06 with very few miles and just a very striking color combo, you're definitely going to want to take a very close look at this beautiful 2003 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. Rock solid motorsports.